In today's video, we'll show you how to log in to RTrader Pro. After purchasing a challenge, you'll receive the login credentials on your registered email address. You can also find them on your dashboard under the Overview section. To access the platform, simply go to the Download section of the dashboard and scroll down to RTrader Pro. Click on it and the file for the platform will be downloaded. Alternatively, go to the Overview section, click on the platform link here, and it will be redirected to Rhythmic's website. Click on Download RTrader Pro here, and the file for the platform will start downloading. Once it's downloaded, open the file, install it, and you'll see the login screen. Here, in the user ID, enter your username and not your registered email address. Next, enter your password. In System, select Rhythmic Paper Trading from the drop-down. And lastly, in Gateway, select the server nearest to your location. Copy and paste the same details below in the Market Data section to get the price feeds. Once all the details are entered, click on Login. After clicking Login, you'll see two mandatory agreements. Click on the first agreement, take a moment to read through it, scroll to the bottom, and then click on I agree. Open the second agreement, read the terms carefully, scroll to the bottom, and select Non-Professional. If you select Professional, you'll be charged an additional fee. Finally, click on Submit, then Close, and you'll be logged in to RTrader Pro. And that's it. Logging into RTrader Pro is that easy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.